This problem can be found on practice worksheet 6-4, number 40. The problem states to solve x to the fourth plus 12x squared is equal to 8x to the third. So first what you need to do is bring 8x to the third over to the side. So what I'm going to have then is x to the fourth minus 8x to the third, because we were subtracting 8x to the third. And then what I wanted to do is arrange it by descending exponents, as in x to the fourth, x to the third, and then x to the second. And then you just write in your 12x to the second. And this is all equal to 0. So now what you need to do is find out if there's anything that all of these three terms have in common that you could take out and make your problem much easier. And in this case, you could take out an x squared from each, making it x squared times the quantity of x to the second, because x to the second times x to the second multiplies into x to the fourth, minus 8x, just 8x, because x times x squared equals x cubed, plus 12. And then the x squared cancels in both this and this because you're taking it out. Because then if you multiply 12 by x to the second, then it'll equal 12x squared. And this still equals 0. So now we can factor this here by asking ourselves if there are two factors that multiply to get 12 and add or subtract to get negative 8. And in this case, there would be negative 2 and negative 6. So then your new equation is x squared times the quantity of x minus 2 times x minus 6 is equal to 0. And now we can easily find our zeros. If you set x squared equal to 0, the square root of 0 is, of course, is of course 0, excuse me. And then you need to find the zeros of x minus 2 and x minus 6. So if you set x minus 2 equal to 0, you have to add 2 to each side, and x is equal to 2. So then you know that x is equal to 2 here, and x is equal to 0. And then you still need to find x minus 6 equal to 0. So you set x minus 6 equal to 0, and then you add 6 to each side, and that ends up being x is equal to 6. So your three solutions are 0, 2, and 6, all equal to x. So 0, 2, and 6 all equal to x.